Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the lookout for a high-performance touchscreen laptop with incredible visuals and premium design, we've got something special today. Let's dive into the Dell XPS 13 Plus 9320, a powerhouse packed in one sleek machine that doesn't compromise on style or function. All right, let's talk about the details. The XPS 13 Plus 9320 comes with a stunning 13.4-inch 4K OLED touchscreen. This display isn't just for show. With 3,456 by 2,160 pixels, you're getting seriously vivid colors and deep contrasts that make everything from media to editing pop. It's a top pick if you want an immersive visual experience. Now, Dell didn't hold back on performance here. Inside, there's a 12-core Intel Core i7-1260P processor, which means multitasking on this machine is a breeze. Plus, it's got Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, keeping you connected and ready to go. Dell even added some modern touches like a seamless glass touchpad and capacitive touch bar. Definitely something that catches your eye. For those concerned about security, it includes a fingerprint reader along with a 720p webcam that supports Windows Hello. So logging in is secure and quick. And don't forget that backlit keyboard, making late-night work sessions a breeze. Dell has really thought of everything here to provide a smooth user experience, whether for work, media, or casual browsing. So, who's this laptop for? If you need power, portability, and a display that's just stunning, the XPS 13 Plus 9320 could be the perfect fit. It's geared for professionals, creators, or anyone wanting a laptop that looks as good as it performs. Next, we're looking at the Lenovo Yoga 7, our second pick for the best touchscreen laptops of 2024, and it's packed with features that make it a standout. This 14-inch 2-in-1 has a stunning 2K display and flexible design that easily shifts between laptop and tablet modes. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 8840HS processor with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and AMD Radeon graphics, it's perfect for multitasking, light gaming, and streaming. With a combined 2.28TB storage setup, 2TB on a super-fast SSD, plus an extra 288GB on a docking station, it's ideal for users who need plenty of space. It also has a backlit keyboard, a fingerprint reader, and comes with Windows 11 Pro, so it's ready for both work and play. If you're after a versatile, powerful touchscreen laptop, the Lenovo Yoga 7 is definitely worth a look. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 16-inch laptop is a powerhouse in both performance and design, making it perfect for professionals and creatives alike. This 2024 model is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, giving you the speed you need for multitasking, demanding applications, and seamless streaming. Its 3K AMOLED touchscreen with a 2880 by 1800 resolution offers vivid colors and sharp details, ideal for content creation or just enjoying ultra-clear visuals. With 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, you get fast, responsive performance with more than enough storage for all your files, projects, and entertainment. Security is on point too, with a fingerprint reader and trusted platform module, TPM, to keep your data safe. And let's not forget the style. This laptop is wrapped in a sleek moonstone gray finish, giving it a modern, elegant vibe that's sure to stand out. It's powerful, secure, and stunningly designed. A great choice if you want top-tier tech with a touch of sophistication. Next, the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX 582 is a high-performance laptop designed for professionals and creatives seeking advanced multitasking capabilities. It features a 15.6-inch 4K UHD OLED touchscreen that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing visual experiences. Powered by an Intel Core i7-10870H processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, It ensures smooth performance and ample storage for demanding applications. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU provides robust graphics performance, suitable for tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. A standout feature is the ScreenPad Plus, a secondary 14-inch 4K matte touchscreen that tilts up for comfortable viewing, facilitating seamless multitasking and creative workflows. The laptop comes in a sleek celestial blue finish and includes Windows 10 Pro, offering a professional-grade operating system. Next, we're looking at Microsoft's latest powerhouse, the Surface Laptop 2024, a stunning 15-inch touchscreen laptop designed for those who need style, power, and portability all in one sleek package. Let's start with the basics. The Surface Laptop 2024 comes in a gorgeous platinum finish that's modern and professional. This isn't just about looks, it's also packed with performance. Microsoft has equipped it with the Snapdragon X Elite processor, a 12-core chip that's built for handling everything you throw at it, from multitasking to productivity apps. You've also got 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD, so you're set for smooth performance and fast file access without a hitch. This model comes with Windows 11 Copilot Plus, bringing AI-powered assistance to make your everyday tasks easier. Whether it's organizing, scheduling, or just answering questions, Copilot Plus is like having a digital assistant right on your laptop. It's especially useful if you're looking to boost productivity or simply keep things organized. Battery life is another huge win here, up to 22 hours of video playback. So if you're on the go or have a packed schedule, you don't have to worry about finding a charger. This battery life makes it perfect for those of us who need reliability and long-lasting power in a laptop.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.